Alright, you ready for this? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 453. This is the 6th month of winter. Hey, Minnesota.
Why did your ear go sleep?
Yeah, I think it's because of this. Wait, zoom in on, show them the buttons. Oh, okay. I'm sure they just want to see them. I wish my buttons looked like that. Oh my god. Okay. Well, we're gonna eat now, so.
That's kind of weird. Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay.
We're in this vlog and they all left. Well, they left me. Wait, how do we focus? This is it.
I got some chicken and some rice, and I got
This is
some
like a mukbang.
cantaloupe and some really hard pineapple.
This is how we like them. Hard. Okay. Christine, wait. What'd you eat?
Just one green sauce. What even? I didn't know what it tasted like.
These carrots here, they have heating lamps under everything, but guess what? The carrots were not warm when I got them. You're so much. It's so bouncy. Did you?
I kind of feel like
You look like a mountain woman that just came out of the cave. Currently see this outside, and then now we hear thunder. We just, oh my god. Good luck, Nicole.
It's the end of the world, Mom.
Yeah, this is bad. So here's Liv's hair, done by the Abigail. Hit me up in the comment section.
No, okay, yesterday we had a blue one of these.
And now
And
it's
it wasn't
green.
like by this brand.
Wow.
I think someone stole the other one.
This is vlog worthy. I'm sure.
She ate beef jerky then licked my face.
Okay, it wasn't consecutively though.
At least you don't just sleep in a beef jerky bed. It's disgusting.
Yeah, because of Olivia once again. Kayla was eating it too.
Okay, let's go.
I'll start right away. I said, and then we'll leave.
She locked herself out. For you now. Whoa! What's happening?
It's Elizabeth.
No, because no, what's happening? Oh, do you see the lines?
It's okay.
You just kiss her.
This one, ready?
I didn't get it.
So I'm sitting there, barbecue sauce on my titties.
It starts doing like. Now it doesn't. Now it's not doing black lines. As soon as I show her.
You said this guy is purple.
No, the sky. Look at it out there.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I mean, it's not really pretty.
No, but that's my favorite color. Can you see my arm?
That's the first time I've ever seen the purple
It's cool though.
sky.
I want it for real.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, same.
I need to check one.
For real, let's go get.
I know.
We smell weed. So I was just sitting there, barbecue sauce on my titties.
So I'm sitting there, barbecue sauce on my titties.
Why is it like that with the lines?
Maybe it's the lights.
Maybe.
We don't want it. barbecue sauce.
Kayla, what was that?
I would love to ask you if they need barbecue sauce for my titties. Reading this right now, and I just realized that this is a super duper random vlog. It's like everywhere. So if you made it to this point, congrats, because that was super random.
Okay, welcome back to the vlog. I'm here walking through the nice snow. Oh my god.
Why would you push me in that?
I didn't. And we're walking to the gas station, hopefully to get ice cream or snacks. But yeah, we got the girl gang, and we'll see if we find ice cream. Liv, what you got?
So I got Butterfinger for my mom.
Okay.
I got Cheesy Puffs for my mom. I got Blue Bunny ice cream, cookies and cream for me. And I got this drink called Bliss. It's white raspberry. And it
Are you sure that's
looks
not detergent?
But it's good. Is it good?
It's good this way. Pretty good. Wait, listen. I don't care. Your food hall right now.
Yay!
Liv, watch out. Naked, okay. Nice way to represent what you're showing here. Blue Bunny, what type?
Vanilla bean.
Okay.
Lastly, caramel M&M's.
All right, Nicole.
My ice cream. Cookie dough.
All right, Christine.
We open a window.
Blue Bunny, super chunky cookie dough.
Don't.
Yeah, super chunky downstairs.
Dang. I just got chocolate milk.
You did?
Fairlife.
Wait,
And I got ice cream.
Last one.
Cookie dough too. And yeah. Kayla, tell them how you really feel about the ice cream.
I'm gonna flip a tit. Your freezer burnt.
Mine
It's
is
only
like
$4 for
crazy.
that little thing.
I'm gonna have to bleep all these out, bro. God.
You can literally hear this.
Bleep, bleep, bleep.
And then
Basically, we drove here yesterday. Stayed in a hotel because we knew it was gonna like snow. We knew that we had to be here early. And then today we played, like, how many games did we play?
3.
Played 3 games. And then it was snowing outside really, really bad. I know it's snowing 2 or more inches every hour. It stopped though. It stopped though. Okay. And then
Out of here.
and then on our last game, right after our last game, they told us that it's canceled tomorrow, so we don't even get to see who wins, or we don't get to play anymore, and that was our last tournament for some of us, so.
Not me.
Now we're stuck here in a snowstorm. And yeah. This is the end of the vlog. Bye.
Unless we see him in the morning.
Yeah.
You should come over.
We might, actually.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that. Alright, well, might be end, might not be end. We'll see, I guess. See you later, fam bam. Sleep well, my darlings.
Gucci.
Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread my life on Gucci. Love to, come okay.
So make sure you subscribe down below, fam bam, and make sure you like this vlog, and make sure that you comment down below video suggestions. So, yeah.